She should have noticed it was only August. The call she felt was